Why your business can't afford to skip commercial property insurance. Protect your investment today. Hi, business owners. If you own a business or commercial property, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into why commercial property insurance is essential and how it protects your business from unexpected disasters. Stick around till the end for a simple tip that could save you thousands. Running a business means you've invested a lot, whether it's your building, equipment, inventory, or even valuable documents. But have you thought about what would happen if a fire, storm, theft, or vandalism damaged your property? Without commercial property insurance, those losses come straight out of your pocket. Insurance helps cover the cost to repair or replace your property, so you can get back to business quickly without draining your savings. Plus, many lenders or landlords require you to have this insurance before approving a lease or loan, so it's not just smart, it's often necessary. Commercial property insurance typically covers damage to your building caused by fire, storms, vandalism, equipment breakdown, business inventory losses, and sometimes even loss of income if you can't operate while your property is being repaired. Every business is different, so your policy should fit your unique needs. That's why working with a knowledgeable insurance agent can make all the difference. So, do you need commercial property insurance? The short answer, if you own or lease commercial space, yes. Here's what you can do right now. Review your current insurance coverage if you have any, list out your business assets and property risks, and contact a trusted insurance agent to get a customized quote. For expert advice and personalized coverage options, call Klinger Insurance Group today at 301-428-4935. Our team is ready to help you protect what matters most. Don't wait until disaster strikes. Protect your business's future today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to keep your business safe and thriving. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.